Hello, let me show you a CNC asset monitoring app which I've built on the Iris Foundry.
So what you see on the screen right now is the Iris Foundry, where we have built into our asset hierarchy a few CNC machines. So we have the main group CNC machines. Underneath we have 7 different CNC machines. Now each CNC machine that we've defined has a few channels. So one channel is going to be for the status of the CNC, whether it's up, down, shut down, or idle. And then the reason for the status, whether it's because of training, unplanned maintenance, planned maintenance, scheduled maintenance, etc. Then we also have under the CNC machine just a flag to tell us if a CNC machine has gone down or is still active. So going to the CNC machine monitor, this is fully connected with our Iris Foundry. So you provide your username and password from your Iris Foundry. This is running currently on my local host. I'm going to log in, and it's finding my username, my password, and the tenant ID. It gives us an overview of the 7 CNC machines that we have, which ones are operational, which ones are not, what is the operation, what's the average utilization, downtime, production, etc. So this shows you a few additional information. So any data that gets streamed into Iris can be then pulled into these data points to be able to show you the current status, including alerts, recent activity, which ones went up, down, training, scheduled maintenance, etc. And then also can give you a performance trend. Then for each CNC machine, you can click on it and see a live view of when it's been operational, when it's been idle, when it's been in maintenance, and when was it down. And you can click on it to see the information of each block, and you can of course see the trend. Again, if you have the data provided, you can see the trend, etc. You have the overall downtime, the production counts. So all of this information, if you get it, if you have it available in Iris, this can be pulled in. You can also have a report for a certain amount of time. Here too, you can change from live data to see the production, the historical data for the past few days, whichever days. You can view it as a 7-day view or just a single 24 hours view. You can go back to live. So this is just the CNC monitor that you can see via web. Another thing that we've built was an Android app. Actually, it's a Flutter app that can run on Android, iOS, web, or Windows. This CNC operator. Just click on that, and now you provide the same password that you would have for your Iris. Log in, and now you see the same exact view of the CNC machines, although you have a bit less information because of course this is a tablet and not a web interface. So now I can click here on this CNC machine, and I'm the operator, so I want to tell the system that I need to take this machine down. So instead of operational, I'm going to change it to maintenance, and I'm going to say unscheduled maintenance, and I can specify the start time and the end time. So I'm going to finish working on this tomorrow about 12 o'clock, let's say 12. And taking the CNC machine down for maintenance, lubrication of the bearing is insufficient. Okay, so you can provide this. Of course, this can also then get sent to Iris Foundry and stored in Iris Foundry, all the notes and everything. Now I can click on save. So now it's down for maintenance. machine status has been updated. Now here this refreshes every minute, but let's do a haptic refresh. Now you see here the status just changed to maintenance, and here I can see the information when did it go to maintenance. Right now we're not pulling the note, but the note can be pulled, of course, to here, so you can see the note. Another cool thing that we can do is now I can also send via Postman, so I'll show you here. So in my Postman, I'm going to say that CNC1 has been shut down. So I'm going to send this event. Within a few seconds, my operator view should tell me that the system went down. Yep. So it told me that CNC mill 1, the model has VF2, has gone down. Now I need to provide details. Why did it go down? So here I can provide down, let's say training, provide the date, start and end time, and any notes. So this is the same notes that we had before. So now I can save that, submit that. And now let's refresh this. Now it changed to training, to down training. So that's some really cool things that we can build in Iris. So very efficient, and as you can see, very powerful.